Okay, what we have today is a review of the Gosin Bo20. You can see that right there on the back. It's on the back and it says it. And it's a pretty good keyboard, all that I can tell. So I'm going to show you some things like what I type on the screen so you can see me using it and then you know that it works. So here we go. I got, it's not working. Why is it not working? It's not working. It's not working. Oh, there it is. There it is. All right, can we restart?
No, keep going, dude.
No.
That's perfect.
No, it's not.
That's perfect.
All right, so yeah, it's a really, really good keyboard, and I'm going to show you all the reasons why. So number one is, you look on the back here, and you've got a switch to turn it off and on with, and then a button to pair your keyboard to whatever device you're doing. And then when you go to the front here, it's got a little thing here to tell you that, oh, we're paired now. And it'll do this flashing, right? And that'll get you there. So anyway, let me show you. Earlier it wasn't working, now it is. So I'm gonna show you, I can write. I can write. I can read. That's it. Or. But you get it, right? It's a keyboard. If you were really stupid or real smart, you could make this thing work. And it's got a light for you. And you can pair it with this switch. But I tell you, right here, with this little trackpad, if you, let's see, let's look here, let's look here. You can look here, and if you wanna open that menu, like you do, like a right click, you double tap. Oh, there it is. It's not working today. It's not working today. Okay. So right, it's a good keyboard. So if you go here and you look at other people's reviews, they talk about the same stuff, but it ain't no good. This would be a better review. You see what this is about. You probably gonna want to buy it. I get it. We good. You good? We good.